Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai coconut pancakes, or in Thai we call Khanom Krok. This is one of most popular street food in Thailand, so you can find easy in Thailand street food. It's crispy on the outside and soft, warm and custardy on the inside. So top with the variety topping for the green onions, corn or taro as you want. Let's start with the combine everything together: rice flour, all-purpose flour, cooked rice, sugar, salt, coconut milk, water, and then mix everything together and blend it. For this recipe, super easy. You just combine everything and mix and blend and then put on the pans, or if you have the special pans for this, it will be great. For the original, I will put for the photo now, and you can see this is the original pans. After, press all ingredients in a blender and blend until it's smooth. And now it's okay for our batter, and then rest it for 30 minutes at least. The next step is we gonna make the top filling, coconut top filling. For the filling, add the rice flour, sugar, salt together until there are no more clump of the flour, and then add coconut milk and whisk until the sugar is dissolved. This one is super easy, and then just hold it. Both batter can be made in the advance and store in the fridge. Bring it out to room temperature before using. To cook, just heat for the medium heat of the pan and then brush the pan with the vegetable oil. Batter, make sure that you stir both batter every time before you use it. Then add the bottom layer of the batter and let them cook for a minute with the cover. After a minute or two of the cooking, the pancakes should be partially set, so go ahead and add your toppings with the coconut topping and also the green onions or corn as you like. The ingredients I will put in the description box below, you can find it. Continue to cover and let them cook until the bottom is crispy and set to be the golden brown, and on the top is no longer running, about 4 or 5 minutes. And now it's okay, and then flip half of the pancake. You can see the color is already golden brown and nice color, and let them set for 30 seconds and then remove the cake. It's good to be if you eat when they're still warm and crispy, so do not keep well as the longer. And now it's ready. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. It's so delicious. It's sweet, a bit of salt, and the texture is combination well. So let's try.